Hey guys, what's up? So today I just got my package of Toms and I haven't opened them yet, so I'm going to open them right now. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing and how they look, I guess. So I opened the box already. So the box, something looks like this, bigger box and a small box. So now I'm actually going to open them. This is my first time ever having a pair of Toms. So 1-for-1 Toms, and then you have the Carson Classic size 6, and then you have like all these pictures and stuff. And yeah, so it's a pretty small box and it's pretty heavy. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it came with a sticker. It says 5 ways to get involved. So I'll talk about that later. And then here are my Toms. They're like silver and they have like glitter in it. So like that. They're not technically glitter, they're like sweater material, and then they have glitter in it, and it's size 6, and it's Toms, and yeah. Here's the other one. Same thing. Here is the flag. Toms. It's not backwards. Oh, Toms. So it's kind of backwards, and well, that's all it is in the box. So I'm gonna read off 5 ways you can get involved. So, 1. Put the sticker on your laptop, notebook, car, or wherever people can see it. So I'm going to put it on my notebook later, so yeah. Host a Style Your Soul party with friends and family. Screen the Toms document for tomorrow's Toms shoes story. Go barefoot for 1 day without shoes. Stay connected with your Toms stories. Well, that seems really interesting. Although I can't go barefoot for 1 full day because I'm not allowed to. Because I can't even walk home barefoot without getting caught, okay? So, and then it says, with every purchase of Toms, we'll give a pair of new shoes for a child in need. And then here's the picture in the back. So it's I like it. They are super cute, so I'm going to try them on right now. Oh my gosh, these are like ginormous. Like, they're so big. Well, I think I can grow in them. They're like maybe a half size bigger. So like that's how much bigger they are. It's not that much. I can grow into them. So yeah. So I encourage you to buy Toms because they're super comfy and they're only $38. I know that might sound like a lot, but truly it's not. Because $38 for these shoes, which will last probably a long time, and plus mine are like ginormous. So yeah. Super cute, very comfy. It has fur on the inside. Like, see, there's fur on the inside. It's really nice, good quality fur. So yeah, and the back is 1-for-1, and then it has little pluses, and there's like this thing right here. So yeah, so thank you for watching my Toms unboxing and somewhat review, I would say. I encourage you to buy Toms, and yeah, bye guys.